How to stop others from resharing your Instagram content? Here's an easy way to do it. To begin with, launch the Instagram app on your mobile device. After that, click on the profile icon at the bottom right corner. From here, tap on the hamburger icon at the upper right corner to open the settings. Once inside, scroll down and select Sharing and Reuse. Within this menu, locate the section labeled Allow people to share your content. Under this section, you will find the Repost on Post and Reels. Lastly, toggle this option to off position. This will prevent others from reposting your post directly. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more tips and tricks.